Yo, what it do, YouTube? It's your boy, Spirits on Me Cash, and I'm here today to drop some knowledge for y'all boys. So shout out to you if you are tuning into this video. Happy New Year once again. Okay, today's video we are going to talk about how to make a strong comeback for 2025. All right, and we're not just talking about from a physical point of view. This is why I'm saying strong comeback. Okay, because we're not just talking from a physical aspect. We're talking from a spiritual one. To see, when you try to make a comeback, it's very easy to get caught up in the physical aspects. Okay, the grind, the hustle, the money. Okay, but if you ain't right with yourself, if you're not right with yourself spiritually, then you ain't gonna go nowhere, or that comeback won't be made. You feel me? So before I get into this video, first things first, make sure y'all boys tap in with the merch. All right, I'm gonna leave that link down in the description below. Make sure you get your spiritual homie apparel. Support your boy, support the community. Y'all know right behind that link will be the Patreon, as well as the one-on-one consultation, extra content on that Patreon. And y'all know if you need to book a call, tap in with the one-on-one consultation. I'm all ears for everybody's situation. I am here to help. Okay. All right. So let's get into this topic. So first things first, the first little step you got to make this comeback is self-reflecting. Okay. Something that I love to do myself, just self-reflect and look back on life, look back on the things I've been through, look back on what I can improve throughout my life. Okay. You have to take that step back. Okay. And reflect on yourself. Okay. Ask yourself what's been holding you back. Okay. What's been weighing on your mind? What's been holding you down? All right. What's been making you feel stuck or stagnant? You feel me? What's making you feel that type of way? Okay. You have to ask yourself those questions. Okay. You have to be able to fight off those demons. Okay. Confront those demons. You know what I'm saying? You have to be able to face yourself and ask yourself these hard questions, bro. I know it's hard, bro. I know it's hard. Okay. But as you continue to keep doing it, or really as you take the time to actually do it, then it's going, you know what I'm saying? It's going to feel normal. It's going to feel, you know what I'm saying? You're going to feel comfortable with doing it, bro. You have to be able to feel comfortable with asking yourself these questions, bro. That's what's going to push you forward and push you further more into this spiritual growth. Okay. For real, bro. Ask yourself, bro, what do you want? Okay. What do you need? Okay. What's your purpose? All right. Ask yourself these questions. You have to reflect. Okay. It's a must. Okay. When you can answer all of those questions honestly, that's when you can start making moves. That's when you can start, you know what I'm saying, moving with purpose. All right. Now, once you've done that, okay, once you've self-reflected, then it's time for you to let go. And you probably like, let go of what, spiritual homie? Let go of what? Let go of all that negativity, bruh. Okay. That's what's holding you back. Okay. Let go of that fear. Let go of that doubt. Let go of that anxiety. Okay. Let go of all the people and things that's been weighing you down and keep you from achieving your goals. Okay. Keep you from, you know what I'm saying, chasing your dreams. You know what I'm saying? All these distractions, all this negative BS. You feel me? You gotta release all of that energy, bruh. Okay, so that you can make room for the new energy to, you know what I'm saying, to come in. You feel me? For that positive energy to come in. Okay. In order for it to come in, you gotta let go of the other bullshit. Okay, or the other negative, all of that negativity. Let it go, man. Okay. When you let go, you open yourself up to receive. Okay. Look at it like that. You let go of all the BS. You're able to open yourself up to new opportunities, new experiences, new relationships. You feel me? All by just letting go. Okay. Let it all go. Let go of what you cannot control, my brother. Stop always trying to be in control. Okay. Let the Most High guide you. All right. Let the Most High take control. All right. So now that you let go of that negativity, okay, you let go of all the BS that's holding you back, that's weighing you down. Now, okay, it's time to realign yourself with your purpose. All right. What's your foundation? Like, what's getting you out of bed every morning, like, and keeping you motivated? Okay. What makes you feel alive, bro? Okay. When you align yourself with your purpose, everything else falls into place. Okay. Everything. And I mean everything else. Okay. That's just the way the Most High moves. Okay. You start making moves that's aligning yourself with your goals, your dreams, okay, your purpose. That's when you start attracting opportunities, okay, people, okay, different experiences that align with your actual purpose. Okay. How do I know this? Because I learned all of this throughout 2024. Okay. I went hard on aligning myself with my purpose, and everything else has fallen behind it. Not saying it's over, like it ain't still more to fall behind and come, you know what I'm saying, manifest into my reality. But I'm just saying all 2024, all last year, I've been able to actually go through the experience of aligning myself with my goals, my dreams, okay, my purpose. All right. And this shit don't just happen overnight. Okay. You have to continuously, consistently put effort and put work in, put in action, okay, to make this shit happen. All right. And I'm gonna say the last or the fifth and final way, step, whatever you want to say, to be able to make this strong comeback for 2025 from a spiritual level, like I said in my last video, would have to be taking action. All right. God don't like lazy people. Okay. So in order for you to be able to make this comeback, yo ass got to put in that work. Okay. Once again, God don't like lazy people. Okay. It's going to take time and effort. Okay. To be able to make this comeback. Okay. That means waking up every morning. Okay. With a plan. Okay. Not just waking up and then going back to sleep or being lazy. Okay. Wake up, have your ass a plan, and then start executing it, okay, on an everyday basis, okay? That means staying focused, staying motivated, okay? Even when the times you know what I'm saying, feeling bad, okay, keep pushing yourself, all right? When you take action, that's when you start seeing the results, okay? You start seeing progress, and that's when you know you're on the right path, all right? Please, and I mean please, make sure y'all take action, okay? Whatever it is you're doing, okay? Goal wise, dream wise, whatever you got set out for yourself for 2025, okay? Please make sure you take action, all right? That's how you see. That's how you see things come into your reality, bruh. First, you might not see nothing. You know what I'm saying? You might not see things happen, but as you consistently put in the work, okay, and that's what it takes, y'all. Consistency is key. All right. That's what made me push out the entire year of 2024. Consistency. When you're consistently taking action and doing what you're supposed to do, staying focused. All right. That's when you're able to see the things just magically manifest into your reality. Trust me, dog. You're going to be doing something that you had planned out for the day, taking action on it, being productive, staying productive, and then out of nowhere, you're going to see whatever it is 2 months ago, 3 months ago that you planned out for yourself to have for 2025. You're going to see it just magically pop out of nowhere, okay, during 2025 because you consistently putting in the work to make your dreams, your goals, your reality, all right? So that's how you do it, bro. That's how you make a comeback from a spiritual level for 2025. It's not just about the physical, y'all. Remember that. It's about the mental and spiritual too, okay? When you're right with yourself on all levels, that's when you're able to start making moves. That's when you're able to start, you know what I'm saying, taking action on the things you want to do for this comeback. That's when you start achieving your goals. You feel me? So let's make 2025 our year, bro. Our comeback year. You feel me? Let's make it the year we rise above the negativity, the bullshit, and achieve our goals, achieve greatness, okay? Achieve our dreams. You feel me? It's time to take control of our lives, y'all. Really make our dreams our reality. If you did not get the message, don't be afraid to play it back. All right. I really want y'all to be able to make this comeback for 2025, especially if 2024 wasn't your year. All right. We're not here to pout and be a bitch about what happened last year. Okay. We're here to man up, okay, and realign ourselves with our purpose for 2025. All right. I really appreciate every single one of y'all for sticking to the end of this video. If you're new, don't forget to tap that subscribe button, leave a like, comment down below something positive. All right, no negative vibes down there because we do not care. Tap in with the merch, Spiritual Homie Apparel. I will leave that link down in the description below. Make sure you go cop some drip. If you do not cop no drip, cop a journal. All right, for 2025, cop a journal, man. Start off journaling, man. That'll be the perfect way to start off the year. If you do not know about journaling, I want y'all to journal so that you can write down your goals, write down things you want to manifest into reality, write your dreams, okay? I'm going to leave that link down in the description below for y'all. Y'all make sure y'all tap in. Behind that link will be the Patreon. Y'all know it's extra content, tips, tricks, story times, all type of shit on the Patreon. And behind that link will be the one-on-one consultation. Y'all make sure to book a call if you need any help with anything along your spiritual journey. All right. Any roadblocks, anything you confused about. All right. Let's have that one-on-one call. Let's have that one-on-one talk, my brother. I will leave all those links down in the description below. I appreciate every single one of y'all once again for sticking to the end. Y'all have a blessed night. Y'all have a blessed morning. Y'all have a blessed afternoon. Man, wherever you at, it's your boy, Spirits on Me, God, man. And I'm out. Damn. Appreciate you for sticking to the end of this video. If you did, I got a little surprise for y'all, man. Something that's been very, very long waited, okay? Took a little grind for me to get it back, to bring them back, the supplements, all right? Yes, I have been using them for the past month, and they do work perfectly. Very, very great benefits from it. You get a lot of energy from them. I also have sea moss as well as the multivitamin gummies in the shop. But yes, these are the ashwagandha and the vitamin D mixed with vitamin K2. Y'all definitely go cop. All right, definitely go cop your supplements. All right, they're very low price too. Okay, very affordable. And like I said, they work perfectly. Okay, they've worked good for me for the past month. I've been using them daily. Okay, so for 2025, all right, try something new, bruh. All right, start using your supplements, start taking your vitamins daily, okay? A lot of people got a lot of nutrients deficiency going on throughout their body, all right? We got to start staying healthy by simply taking our vitamins, all right? So I got this shop open for not only me, but you as well, okay? Make sure you go get your vitamins, okay? Make sure you stay up to date with your vitamins. Ever since I got my site recouped from Shopify, I've been trying to get the supplements back or bring the supplements back. So I literally made a little shop for the supplements so that y'all can go ahead, you know what I'm saying, go ahead, cop you some supplements. So from now on, I will be leaving that link under all my videos for the supplements, okay, until we get the Shopify, you know what I'm saying, store it back to where as though everything is combined together, because I know the merch shop and the supplements are going to be, you know what I'm saying, separate just for now, okay? But once again, I'm gonna leave those links down in the description so y'all can go, you know what I'm saying, feel free to support, all right? I'm not forcing y'all to do nothing, okay? You ain't gotta do nothing, all right? Just feel free to support. Appreciate y'all once again. Happy New Year. I love every single one of y'all. This is gonna be a great year, chosen ones. Very great year, full of abundance, all right? Blessings, all right? And full of prosperity, y'all, all right? I really hope y'all have a wonderful 2025, a wonderful New Year's Day. Y'all have a blessed night. Y'all have a blessed morning. Y'all have a blessed afternoon, man, wherever you at. And I'm out.